Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to do the connection for the TPT 1600 cylinder head pressure testing machine. Now one of the key main components is to have an air compressor. Here we've got a 24-liter air compressor which is very suitable for the job. Now what you do is you get your compressor power line connected up onto a power socket, and then you take the air pipe and it goes into this specific section here on the TPT 1600 cylinder head pressure testing machine. Now the air line enters from here and it comes out through this pipe here, which goes up, and that's when you see it coming here to the control panel where you can actually control the air pressure. This is the on and off button for the air pressure while it is running. And now this is the pipe where you connect to your cylinder head that you are over here. Right now we're just preparing to pressure test this one here. So once it's up and running, you might see it on another video where we will document the whole pressure testing process, and we cover that part up. So for the next part, this is actually the timer, the preheat timer, and you can set it up like with a day in advance or a few hours depending on what you actually need. For us, it usually takes us around 2 hours to get to an optimal temperature of which we can now conduct pressure testing. And it's a very quick in terms of heating, but one of the key advantages of this specific machine is that once you close the lid, it really preserves heat from the day before, so we don't really need to go into the preheating method, which allows us to save a lot in terms of electricity and power consumption. Now, after you have your air compressor all connected up there, these are all standard piping and all that are connected from the company when the machine comes through. Now, just make sure that you have an electrician who comes by, and he's the one who should do the main connection in terms of the power inlet from your main electricity board coming down to this here. Everything is already fully designed. These are the main circuit breakers that are for controlling the machine, and now these are the relays that are there. Some of them control up, some of them control, you see it down, left, right. You see the movement here, so it's all controlled from here, as you can see. Okay, and now this one here is your heat relay as well, the one which controls the thermostat, or I should say the heating elements which are inside of the machine. So once your electrician comes and does the whole connections and setup, then that's when you will get your power, and here you can now power up your light here, and your air compressor starts coming in. Then you simply come here and you set it up. If you see, this is the Omron E5 CSL machine, so you set up the optimal temperature what you want here. Here it's currently set at around 80 degrees. That's the temperature that we have put it at, and this is the requirement that you want, the setting parameter for the temperature, and then you set it and press here. So then once it cools down, or once it's not at that specific temperature, it starts reheating again. So yeah, it's a very basic setup for this machine, and it's very simple and straightforward. So I wish you all the best with this one here, and let me know in the comments if you need anything else that I could help you with. Thank you so much, guys.